Changing your email on TaskRabbit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the asrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Email or Email Preferences. Click on this option to proceed to the Email Update section. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will see a field to enter your new email address. Type in the new email you wish to use and ensure it is correct to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes. You may need to verify the new email through a confirmation link sent to that address. Once you've completed these steps, your email on TaskRabbit will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to finalize the process.